the engine safety cable. It's pretty straightforward. So you need your 12mm wrench, open end, spanner, what you want to call it, 13mm nut on the side, lefty loosey, and a righty tighty. So this car has some oil leaking issues. Definitely the main seal of this is leaking, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put this engine back in the car. So, but if you're gonna go to the trouble to even pull the transmission out, I'm gonna change the main seal. I'm just gonna put the nuts back on there, so don't look for them. I'm gonna put it back in. Size of a box of rubber gloves when working on a car like this. Just keep your hand somewhat normal. You probably keep that cable on there, but I am taking it off because I can just see something somehow it gets like a caught in something. Not what I need. Boom! Put the bolt back in. You don't lose it. Put it aside.